Solmelu, Namaskara, Illa Bele, Illada Bele, Homework, March 06, 2024, Class 5, Wednesday. Note, please practice and record video about clothes. Submit video in Flip app under your group. The table has new keywords and its meaning. The assignments in English. Number 1. My name is Aditya. My grandfather is the oldest in the family. Number 2. Everyone wore new clothes during Bisu festival. Number 3. My dad's shirt is too big for me. Number 4. I have blue color blanket, but my younger sister's blanket is pink. Its translation in Tulu. Number 1. Enna Pudaru Aditya. Enna Ajjeru Kutumbodu Hiriyer. Number 2. Prati Urila Bisu Parbogu Posa Tuttaita Padunderu. It's Padunderu. Okay. Number 3. Enna Pappana Angi Enku Bari Malla Apundu. Number 4. Eneda Neeli Bannada Manderi Undu and Enna Megdina Manderi Gulabi. Okay, here are the new words and its meaning in English and then in Tulu. Okay. Grandfather, Ajjir, old or oldest, Hiriyer. Family, Kutumba. Every, Prati. Where, Padunu. Bisu festival, Bisu Parba. New, Posa. Clothes, Tuttaita. Shirt, Angi. Big, Malla. Blue, Neeli. Blanket, Manderi. Okay, please submit your homework. Thank you and have a good day.
America Tulu Language and Culture.